Hi everyone, good evening or morning whenever you're watching this. I wanted to review a couple things to make sure you fully understand what's going on. Here's our home page. Click on modules down here and scroll down to Unit 2. I have a couple of things that I added and changed a little bit to make sure that you understand what's going on here. So I added this how to learn from the primary source documents and participate in group discussions. You will do so as individuals within your little group and with your groups together. So click on this, join your group and sign up for group discussions. This is new. I turned this into a group discussion because I think there were maybe some lack of clarity. So here we go. Now it's worth 5 points, which is kind of extra credit, but it's an important assignment that needs to be done. So to do it and get the extra points, you will get the extra points if this is completed by Saturday. So you click on here. First of all, I want you to know that you can always find your groups in the People tab right here on the left side. Right there. So you click on people and then you click on groups and then you join your group. By responding in this discussion down here, by pressing reply down here, you will be replying to just your group. So that's one way to get into your group and join your group. So you join your group and you tell your group something that you love, some of your favorite whatever, and then everyone else will join you and tell the rest of you their favorite whatever. And then you will make a group name. And one of you will change your name to that group name. I recommending a group name. I want to call us the Schmerflachelos. And then you can see that's a terrible name. I would prefer to be called the students or whatever you guys decide. And then we will kind of try the group discussion sign up again because there were some challenges. So by Saturday with your group, please decide on which of the unit's sources you would like to assess and sign up for the group discussions that begin starting Tuesday on this spreadsheet right here, which looks like this. So up here in this column over here, you can see the list of sources. Add your name here where it says group 1 or group 2, add your name and then add your group name here and then your own names, group members' names on this side. And we need to do this quickly. Whoever signs up for Unit 2 will be graded a little bit easier, more leniently, because they're our kind of guinea pigs for this first discussion, and I will be a little more gentle in grading. So by Saturday, sign up for one. By Sunday, with your group, pick one more, and by Monday, you should have picked all 3 of the units that you will assess. It's important to do this sooner than later. If you don't pick groups or pick units that you want to assess, other people might pick units that you are interested in, and that will leave you with sources that you might not be as interested in. Whereas if you get to pick what you are interested in, that'll be great because you'll get to learn and focus on stuff that you might want to use for your papers and etc. And just a quick reiteration of how group work will work. 3 times through the semester, you will work together and you will post your individual assessments in the group discussion. It'll show up just like this. You will post your answers and you're not going to be able to see other people's answers until you post yours. And I do that for 2 reasons. 1, I want you to think for yourself. That's really important. And 2, that will make sure that everybody does their own work without copying other people. And then once you respond, you can see everyone else's work. And then you will kind of come together and work together to perfect your answers to the questions that are found on the primary sources, on the documents. You do not have to answer each of the questions, but they are a really good starting point, a good place to think about, a good focus. And then you will copy and paste that final assessment into a different discussion that you see in Unit 2. I put it here. You can click on it right here to go back to the modules. And then right there, you will post your group's answer here, and everyone will have access to these. So in Unit 2.2a, Only your group will see what you write in Unit 2.2b, which is an edited final assessment of the sources. Everyone will be able to read that. I think that is all I wanted to tell you for now. If you have any questions, please ask. I'm happy to help, and I hope you have a great day.